In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new opportunity stage in Salesforce. Understanding how to manage opportunities effectively is crucial for sales teams looking to streamline their processes and achieve better results. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize your Salesforce environment to better reflect your sales pipeline. Let's begin our journey by accessing the Salesforce homepage. Once you're logged in, look for the App Launcher icon. It usually appears in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. The App Launcher is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to easily find and access different Salesforce apps and tabs with just a few clicks. Next, we're going to move to the Opportunities section. This is where all the magic happens when managing sales processes. By clicking on Opportunities, you'll be directed to a list view containing all your current and recent opportunities. Now, it's time to create a new one. Locate and click on the New button. This button initiates the process of setting up a new opportunity. You'll be prompted to fill in some crucial information about your new opportunity. Start by typing in an opportunity name. A clear and descriptive name can help easily identify it later. Following that, you'll want to choose an associated account name. This step links your opportunity to a specific customer account, giving you a holistic view of your interactions and transactions with that client. After selecting the account, verify your choice by clicking on it to lock it in. Another important aspect of setting up your opportunity is choosing a close date. This date represents when you expect to finalize the sale. It is a fundamental field to manage your timeline and keep track of sales targets. Select an appropriate date that aligns with your sales cycle. As you proceed, focus your attention on the stage field. The stage indicates where your opportunity currently stands in the sales process. By choosing the correct stage, you help your team understand what actions need to be taken next. It's followed by the probability field, which calculates the likelihood of closing the deal based on historical data and experience. Understanding probabilities helps in forecasting sales more accurately. Speaking of forecasts, you'll also need to select a forecast category. This helps categorize your opportunities into commit, pipeline, best case, etc., which is valuable for reporting purposes and measuring team performance. Once you have filled out all these fields, you're ready for the final step. Double-check your entries to ensure accuracy, and when you're satisfied everything looks good, click on Save to save your new opportunity. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new opportunity stage to your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you better understand how to manage your sales processes effectively within Salesforce. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more how-to videos, and happy selling!